Welcome back to Quiz Wizard.
To Snack Chaos Reloaded, the ultimate food showdown. Get ready to make the tastiest choices of your life. Let's dive in. First pick. Would you choose rainbow cotton candy, giant caramel popcorn, or slushy ice cola? Sweet start. Which donut wins? Glazed classic, chocolate sprinkle, or strawberry frosted? Let's talk fries. Crinkle cut, waffle fries, or curly fries? Which candy melts your heart? Snickers, Kit Kat, or Milky Way? Breakfast battle. Pancakes, waffles, or French toast? Choose your dream drink. Mango milkshake, bubble tea, or frozen lemonade? Spicy time. Would you rather eat hot wings, jalapeno nachos, or spicy ramen? Dessert war. Chocolate lava cake, cheesecake, or ice cream sundae? Which fast food chain wins your vote? McDonald's, Wendy's, or KFC? Pick your pizza slice: pepperoni, barbecue chicken, or veggie supreme? Choose your cereal fix: Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Fruit Loops, or Cocoa Puffs? Which chips are you grabbing? Doritos, Takis, or Ruffles? Cookie round. Oreos, chocolate chip cookies, or macarons? Choose your ice cream flavor: mint chocolate chip, cookies and cream, or strawberry swirl? Sweet versus salty. Pretzels, caramel popcorn, or trail mix? What's your comfort food? Mac and cheese, ramen noodles, or loaded fries? Would you rather drink Fanta Orange, Sprite, or Coca-Cola Cherry? Choose your candy vibe: gummy worms, sour belts, or jelly beans? Midnight snack pick: leftover pizza, cup noodles, or cookies with milk? Battle of burgers. Classic beef, crispy chicken, or veggie deluxe. Choose your cheesy treat, mozzarella sticks, Cheetos, or nacho cheese dip. Pick your cold dessert, popsicle, frozen yogurt, or ice cream sandwich. Choose your drink aesthetic, pink Starbucks frappe, rainbow soda, or blue galaxy mocktail. Food challenge. Would you eat raw onion rings, spicy pickle, or hit subscribe instead? Which restaurant gets your heart? Burger King, Subway, or Taco Bell? Choose your fruity dessert, mango trifle, strawberry mousse, or pineapple sorbet. What's your party snack? Mini tacos, pizza rolls, or cheese puffs? Only one candy survives. M&M's, Reese's Pieces, or Twizzlers? Drink showdown. Prime Blue Raspberry, Gatorade Frost, or Red Bull Tropical? Final round. Save one dessert forever, chocolate cake, apple pie, or ice cream sundae. Which one made you stop and think? Comment your answers below and challenge your friends to play too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic quiz wizard challenges.